Okay, here's Adobe Premiere Pro version 2018, and as you can see the preview is completely black. You can solve that one by going to File and Project Settings and General. Okay, and here the render, you can set it from GPU acceleration to software only and close it with OK. And instantly we have an image. But if you want to use the hardware acceleration, then let's do the following thing. Close the program, don't save anything, and come here in File Explorer to this PC and go to Properties, go to Device Manager, okay, and open Display Adapters, and there's the graphics card driver. So right click on that one, update driver software, and search automatically over the internet, and instantly it found the driver and it's installing it. And the screen might flicker, it should turn black a few times because it's installing a new display driver. Windows has successfully updated your driver. Okay, let's close it. Close these windows also. Open the same project in Premiere Pro. This is 2018. It should load the video. We have image. And let's check here at File, Project Settings and General. Now it is using the hardware acceleration, GPU acceleration, OpenCL. So it's on OpenCL and we have video. Okay, and if we put it to the other one, software only, and okay, then we still have video. So let's put it back to hardware acceleration, OpenCL in this case, and okay. So just update the display driver and you should have video.